Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to Intercompany, the transfer pricing management platform for in-house tax teams. In this video, we will focus on how to automate cost recharges for intra-group services. Let's start with a look at 3 common intra-group services transactions in multinational companies. Management services such as finance, legal, HR, and IT. Global and regional shared service centers, often offering the same, but in a different setting. And global and regional R&D and logistics centers. Intra-group services are simple to define and manage at policy level, but implementation is often complex, time-consuming, and erroneous, as tax teams try to manage the implementation in spreadsheets. Let's look at the 3 main challenges this creates. First, multiple data sources. Budget data is collected from FP&A, while actual cost center data is collected from ERP systems, often multiple. Input to allocation keys is sought from cost center heads, while allocation key data is collected from other sources. For instance, number of FTE from HR databases and project data from project systems or project controllers. Second, data quality. Costs are not always booked under the right cost center. Tax teams actually have to clean this up before they can calculate the correct cost of each cost center. Third, changes in data format. GL accounts, cost centers, and profit centers frequently change. Every time this happens, tax teams need to revise their spreadsheets. Only tax teams understand how frustrating and time-consuming this process can be. So what can go wrong, you may wonder? Well, many things apparently. There is a real risk of incorrect calculations. Costs are somehow not charged out during the year to become large year-end adjustments. Wrong markups are applied. Incorrect allocation keys are used. Last year's allocation data is used. There can be a general lack of overview, audit trail of calculations and controls. In one case, the head of tax discovered that $200 million in costs had not been charged out during the year, and had to explain the large year-end adjustment to the CFO. Intercompany automates the end-to-end process. It calculates the cost of each cost center, shareholder costs, and markups correctly. It calculates the amounts to be invoiced from each service provider to each service recipient correctly, with the correct allocation keys and data, and with complete data transparency and audit trail. Let Intercompany handle the data and calculations, and give your team the freedom to focus on value-creating matters such as data review, data analysis, and data documentation, and provide local teams with robust data documentation to withstand scrutiny from their local tax authorities. Thank you for watching. Visit intercompany.io for more info.